Hello guys, we are the White Forge group, and let me introduce you to our group member, Mayali Mark, Barsaljan Bolter, and Iskandor. And of course, to our professor, Dr. Earl Marquez Albina. For today's video, we'll be presenting Arduino project for the fading light. For this project, we'll need one piece of 5mm LED, one resistor, and two mil-to-mil jumper cable. First, place the LED into the breadboard. The longer leg should be on the right and the shorter leg should be on the left. Second, insert one end of the resistor into the same row as the LED positive leg and the other end into an empty row. This will limit the current and protect the LED. Third, connect jumper wire from Arduino pin to the free end of the resistor. This is the pin that will control the LED brightness. Fourth, connect other jumper wire from the LED negative leg directly to the GND pin on the Arduino. Now, here's the actual video of our team assembling the circuit and uploading the code. Now for the code explanation. The code assigns int LED pin pi 10 to control the LED, and in setup sets it as an output using pin mid LED pin output up. Inside loop, the function fade on 1005 gradually increases brightness from 0 to 255, while fade off 1005 decreases it back to 0, both using analog write LED pin value. This process repeats, creating a smooth breathing effect as the LED fades in and out continuously.